Alright everyone, if y'all all seen the previous video I did with cold air intake, or some people say hot air intake, that was basically cool, but not everybody want to spend that money. And since all of our cars come with this already, how we don't modify this to give us a little induction noise. So on the factory inlet boot, this is the resonator. They use this to quiet down the induction noise. My idea is to just chop this off. You understand? So when you chop this off, there's gonna be a little hole left, but I'm just gonna plastic weld and close that up so I don't have no leaks, and that should give you a little induction noise. Alright, and then instead of you sitting there spending the money and just buying a silicone boot, you probably can find them cheap online, you know, for $20-30, whatever it is. But the opportunity to save a little cash, why not? So yo, let's get to work. So I don't got no power tools at the time now, so I'm just gonna use this little hacksaw and deal with it. Get the job done. Cut through all the way. Boom, boom, drop it down. Alright, so this is the hole I'm talking about. I just gotta seal that up, and yeah, we're good to go. So this is what we're gonna use, some quick epoxy to help seal this up. Get the job done just like so. And then just seal up on there, and then just in case we don't have no leaks, I might put a little silicone or something around it, but we'll work with this for now. So yeah, watch me mix up. Slap it on. I'm just gonna put it all over here, sir. Put all of that. I think some probably dropped in there too, but you know, we'll work with it. Yo, brother, I think we've done this proper. Some might say this is a little bootleg job or whatever, but at the end of the day, yo, my shit gonna look clean, and I'm gonna look under the hood and, you know, pause, look under the bonnet and won't tell the difference. So yo, this look clean, this setup is nice, and that's what I'm going for. Clean, nice setup, and everything just look proper, OEM plus. No, I joke, man. It's like only OEM plus, but just the vibes on me like it. You understand? All this epoxy, I need to just fill up this hole right here, and I think we should be good. All the areas look like it's covered. Let this dry. This should just dripping along the sides, but yo, it's gotta do. See, it's that drip, drip, drip. dripping everywhere, but make sure it does what I need it to do, and it's gonna get the job done. This is gonna be sealed up and looking proper. Alright, so pretty much almost done, or basically done. Alright, so here's my handiwork. Little glue dripping off the side, but we'll take care of that. The more there. You know, I put a little extra glue to make sure it's sealed up, but take a close look. Looks like it's pretty sealed up to me. Bop, bop, bop. My ear not coming through, but I'll probably go over it once again with some more to seal it up to make sure there's no air coming out, but that's it. Alright, so we're done. Resonator cut off. Looking alright. Got a little drip from the epoxy, but it's alright. I'll clean that up. But yo, good to go. I'm saying, look, a low budget project to get some induction noise. We'll see how this works out. I'm gonna put it on the car. Stay tuned.